In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create epics in ClickUp. Organize projects with epics in ClickUp 2026. Let's get set up. Open your browser and go to clickup.com. On the home page, select Login. I'm using the Continue with Google option for a quick sign-in, then I choose my Google account to enter my workspace. If your team signs in a different way, that's fine. Use your usual method and meet me inside the app. Once you're in, create a dedicated home for your work by choosing New Space. Give your space a clear, memorable title. Think product name, program name, or a specific team, so everyone instantly knows what lives there. Click Continue, then Create Space. This gives you a clean container where your epics, user stories, and tasks can stay organized. Inside the space, you'll see a list where you can add a task. You can absolutely start from scratch, but to move faster and keep things consistent, we're going to use a template instead. Click the plus sign, then choose Templates. In the search bar, type User Story. Templates are great because they come with fields, structure, and best practices baked in. Pick the user story template that fits your workflow, then click Use Template. Confirm by clicking Use Template again to apply it to your current list. In a moment, the template content will load right where you need it. Open the basic user story task that's been added. Think of this as the building block within your epic. You can make the top-level task your epic and organize user stories beneath it, or link stories together. Use whatever hierarchy your team prefers. Now let's tailor the work item to your process. Click Add Custom Fields. Custom fields turn a generic task into a structured, reportable work item. Click. Create a field to add what you need, such as priority, story points, target release, or team owner. These fields let you filter, group, and report on progress with precision. Next, click Add Subtask. Subtasks are perfect for breaking a larger story into actionable pieces: requirements, design, development, testing, and review. Clear subtasks make handoffs smoother and help you track progress at a glance. Finally, click Create Checklist. Checklists shine for repeatable acceptance criteria or a definition of done. They're lightweight, easy to scan, and help ensure nothing gets missed before you move a story to complete. That's it. You've logged in, created a space, leveraged a user story template, and enhanced tasks with custom fields, subtasks, and checklists. Everything you need to structure your epics and keep complex projects organized in ClickUp.